Hello guys, it's me Caroline. I wanted to show you some of the pens that I made with the beads and bubbles stuff that I got at Michael's yesterday. So I made this purple one. Sorry, my husband has something going on in the background. Alright, I have this purple one. I made this one with another little dangle. I really like the crystal clear beads. I made this gold blue one. Made this green one with some pink glass. I love the combination of pink and green. And I made this one. I figured it was like a apropos for Valentine's Day. Okay, so remember all those beads I bought? Well, I used a lot of them. I don't have enough to make another purse charm, but I probably used 3/4 of all those beads. Yes, this is a big mama jamba. So I felt as though I wanted to make a spring purse charm with all spring kind of feel to it and spring beads, even though we're still in December. I just thought that this would be like really a nice little spring bag thing that would go, because white and pink go on everything. So anyhow, this is what I made tonight when I came home from work, and I was supposed to go to the gym, but I didn't. All right guys, happy crafting. Have a great Monday evening. Bye.